In the land of Benedose education and enterprise, Davangere is transforming, a city growing smarter, driven by technology, efficiency, and citizen empowerment. Welcome to Smart DVG, a city in your hands. Smart DVG connects every citizen to essential city services with one single app, a unified digital platform that brings governance closer, faster, and easier. Davangere steps to a new era of digital governance with the Smart DVG mobile application. For the first time, citizens can raise issues with just a single tap. A photograph, a short description, and the system immediately alerts the respective ward officer. From acknowledgement to field action, every step is recorded. Citizens receive live status updates and closure proof, creating a transparent, accountable, and responsive administration. With Smart DVG, cleanliness issues that earlier took days now take minutes. Every complaint becomes an action, and every action becomes visible to the citizen. Impact of DVG Smart Help: grievance redressal system, faster grievance resolution, transparent tracking of complaints, time-bound accountability with auto-escalation, citizens avoid repeated office visits, data-driven problem identification, increased public trust in governance, improved departmental efficiency. Here are the happy citizens of Davangere, the ones who trusted the Smart DVG app.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು MG ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಹಾಗೂ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಜಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
DVG ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಸತ್ತು ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅನ್ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಗೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ನ ನಾನು DVG ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗ್ರೀವೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವಿತಿನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ DVG ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್, and it is helping the public. So DVG Smart Help App making our Davangere smartest and time saving. Thank you.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ.
Myself Basavana, Environment Engineer, City Corporation, Davangere. DVG Smart Help is a public grievance redressal mobile application developed by Davangere Smart City Limited and City Corporation, Davangere. Here, the citizens can download the mobile application through Play Store and then do a one-time registration. So after the one-time registration, the citizens need to upload the complaint in a simple 3-step process. Initially, the citizens need to select the category of the complaint. The second step is to upload the photograph of the relevant issue and then put a brief description about the issue that needs to be raised. With DVG Smart Help application, the efficiency and transparency has greatly improved. The citizens feel empowered that their one photograph or complaint can put the system to work for them. Thank you.
City Corporation Davangere, Smart City MD Davangere. Our Smart City launching Smart Helpline app September 22, 2025. Now we are downloaded 2000 numbers and 193 complaints we have received, and already our health staff and health inspectors and here also that the complaint is already solution is there. But this app is more helpful for public. We are adding that app not cleaning garbage areas, main roads, and not coming vehicle in garbage, dead animal removal, and black spot also we are clearing this application. This application is more helpful them in people also solution for complaints. And next we are plan for city corporation and smart city, UGD complaints and potholes complaints, other municipal services also we are adding. This application more transparency, more good for public.